1, 2, 3, 4.
Got to find a way if you wanna go.
I'm so excited to show you guys my new office. So this has been done since before Christmas, and I've just been adding some final touches here and there, but I really wanted to show you guys what I did. The desk and the drawers are from IKEA. The chair is from the at-home store. The lamps are from Target. And then I've just got my books and some stuff up here to help keep me motivated and inspired. And then basically my drawers are filled with art supplies and things that I do kind of on the side. And on this side, oops. This is a great book. If you're a YouTuber, by the way, you need to read this book. Just got organizational stuff in here. I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but I couldn't help but pick them up. And some old calendars. I've got this cool trash can, radon trash can. And then my microphone, when I use it, I clip it onto the side of the desk here. And that's how I do my voiceovers. So this is where I do all my editing. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this because I'm loving it. And this used to be Charlotte's room. There's a closet over here that's just full of stuff and completely unorganized, so I won't show you that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's super short, but yeah, this is my new office. And sorry if you noticed that the calendar still says December.
There ain't nobody gonna give it to you. You got to